Hi YouTube, welcome to WSP. It's not a stock lock today, it's Cheapskate by Washington State Picker. It's quite a heavily modified key. What is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, with 5 pins. As you can see, it works. Just for a bit of fun, I am going to see if I can get into it with this titanium 4-peak bow guitar that I've made in 0.5. So I know it's not single picking, but I probably will turn it over and pick the last few with it, but it is a challenge lock after all, so I'd be surprised if I can just rake it. And we're in. Okay, so we can rake it with the titanium bow guitar. So I think we should have a look, see what's inside here. I have got the key, so I will lock it up again. Use the gut wrench. Maybe. It's a tough, very tough spring. How the fuck are you supposed to get that off of there? Crikey, even with the right tool, sometimes it's got a bar going right through it. Oh fuck. Well, you can obviously get into it. It's just how. Okay, so that is so tough. Let's see if we can prise him off now. I've never seen a circlip like that before. Look at that bastard. Like a devil's fork. Anyway, we're in. Now I need to find the key again. Okay, so see if we can find a shim. Actually, don't turn it that way, turn it that way. I think quick sets have got the, they're a bit of a pain, aren't they, with the, losing key pins. Just drop those down there. Right. If it fits, then that'll do. Oh, bastard. I will sort these out afterwards, because obviously they're only the key pins, very modified key pins as at that. So we've got some really nice deep cut spools and some serrations and a standard. We've got no mods on the core that I can see. So up top we've got number 1. Nice little spool. Number 2, a double deep serration. 3, deep spool with serrations. 4 is a standard. 5 is another standard. So spring-wise, these quick sets have got a different size bore, haven't they? So you've got some really nice, neat little copper springs in here. Quite compressed, so they're not giving. I think actually they've been doubled up. We'll have a look at those in a sec. And a steel spring in number 5. So I can't see any mods to the Bible. So anyway, so I will sort the key pins out to suit the key. Some lovely pins in there and a different bunch of springs. So that was Cheapskate by the Washington State's picker, and picked against a lot of people might complain against that, but it's just a bit of fun. The titanium Bogota keyring, or will be a keyring when it's got a ring on it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.